The crackers are gone, but your child's cough still hasn't left, right? You are not alone. Post-Diwali air can be harsh on little throats. Instead of worrying through sleepless nights, try these 5 soothing drinks that bring real relief, naturally. Start with golden honey, it coats the throat, and calms that constant tickle. Then turmeric milk, warm and golden, to heal irritation from within. Add ginger honey tea, for chest relief, and easier breathing. Or go traditional with tulsi kadha, a gentle immunity booster. And for anytime comfort, warm lemon honey water, simple, soothing, and loved by kids. No chemicals, no syrups, just the power of your kitchen, helping little throats heal, one warm sip at a time. Follow for more.